Fostering international collaboration. In a world where geopolitical tensions often divide us, NASA remains a symbol of global cooperation. The agency's efforts in space exploration have led to numerous partnerships that transcend national borders, bringing countries together with a common goal of scientific discovery and technological advancement. Through collaborations with international space agencies, NASA has proven that space is a place where competition takes a back seat to cooperation. NASA's partnerships with the European Space Agency, the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, and other space agencies around the world have resulted in groundbreaking missions and discoveries. One of the most significant examples of this collaboration is the International Space Station, a space laboratory that orbits Earth, providing a platform for astronauts and scientists from different countries to work together. The ISS is a testament to what humanity can achieve when we put aside differences and focus on shared goals. These partnerships are not limited to space exploration. NASA's role in fostering international collaboration has also led to joint efforts in climate monitoring, earth sciences, and even disaster relief. By sharing their findings and technologies, NASA and its international partners are able to respond more effectively to global challenges, whether it's managing the aftermath of a natural disaster or addressing the environmental impacts of human activity. Moreover, NASA's commitment to diversity and inclusion within its international collaborations ensures that all voices are heard and that space exploration remains accessible to people from every corner of the world. This global cooperation extends beyond the scientists and engineers who build the rockets. It also empowers future generations of young innovators regardless of their nationality to pursue careers in space science. In the end, NASA's international collaborations prove that space is not just the final frontier, it's a place where humanity can come together, united in the pursuit of knowledge and progress.